Are you ready to build the smallest power bank in the world? Let's quick look at what this power bank module can do before we build it. This is Type-C USB 5V 3.1 boost converter setup power module for mobile power bank accessories with the switch LED inductor. As you can see here, 4 LED power inductors here C port supports input and out. Optional welding input positive pole is only used as input, and here optional welding input negative pole is only used as input. Connect to battery here and here. See this button. What is this? Please comment your opinion. I'll explain it at the end. Let's go to install and setup and test. Okay, let's go. First, testing charging battery. I use this charger mobile with the USB Type-C. Let's see. Okay, my friend, as you can see, charging battery LED light means charge battery lithium now. If 4 LED turn it on, means a full charge battery. Now let's go to test charging mobile. Okay, I put this USB Type-C to USB Type-C power bank. As you can see, my cell phone now charging with this battery. Now see here means charging my phone. Remember at beginning I asked you what this button? Well, here's your answer. It's an on and off switch for the output. Double press to turn it off, single press to turn it back on. Let's go to C. As you can see here, my cell phone now charging. Okay, now I try off to double press. That's good. You can see here now my cell phone not charging. I press one single press this key. Let's go to C. Charging now again.